Check, 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 check. Do we have the audio? Yes, we do. What's up, everybody? My name is Jack, and I am the founder and creator of thataidude.com. I wanted to start doing these videos live because I want to tell you what you're going to get in the membership area without a bunch of cuts, a bunch of edits, and all of that. I develop AI, so I'm going to start doing all of these live. That way you know, hey, it's real, it's effective. There's not a bunch of, smoke and mirrors going on with this. So what I wanted to do is show you just quickly, hey, here's some of the things you're going to get in the membership area of thataidude.com. So first thing, we'll go over this one. And one of the tools I like to show people just initially on an AI trick is, what can you do with going from Google Analytics, taking that information, and then what can Bard do with it? So what I'm going to do here is, if I can see if that thing pops up, is I'm going to take a screenshot of my analytics data from my GA dashboard. Okay, we're just going to capture this. We're going to go over to Bard, drop this in, say, hey Bard, you know what? I think my SE Live was in front of it. I'm going to do that again. And that's what's going to happen when we do these live. But this is what you get when you become a member, actually how to do it. So I'm going to go back to my analytics data, screenshot it, boom, capture, go to Bard, drop it in. Hey Bard, what can you tell me about my website data? And I'm betting it might say, make a video of what you get as you become a member of thataidude.com. That's what I recommended last time. It's not my first time doing this. Yeah, plans, pricing. So people are interested, but they don't really know what they're going to get inside, right? So let's go check that out. Because that's important to know. You have to know what you're paying for, and I'm going to teach you. So if you come over here to become a member and then go to member home, this is what it's going to end up being. So what I have in here are video tutorials on how to get started with Vertex AI Conversation. And then I've put them in little step-by-step tutorials so you can figure out, hey, what's the first step? What's the second step? And these videos are about 1 minute long, 2 minutes long. It's really not overcomplicated. The hardest thing to do is really just connect the dots and start building it day by day. So you're going to have video tutorials on how to create Vertex AI Conversation, how to get started, and everything like that. And what that is like my AI chat agent. So you can say, hello, who is JAI? So it's going to teach you, or it's going to tell you about my company. It's really my AI expert in everything I do. And what's important about that is it can start suggesting videos to your customers, to your clients, whoever. They can go straight to YouTube and check it out, that exact video. And then what's that, why is this really important, and what's Vertex AI Conversation? Well, Vertex AI Conversation is Google's version of an AI-powered chat app that you can make an expert in every area of your life. So what I'm going to do is make it an expert in every area of my life. So who is JAI? It's going to be able to teach you how to create your one. I think there's one step in there right now, but it's going to be up to all 14 here in a little bit. What are the benefits of AI? 10 steps to starting a business. So I'm going to optimize this thing to be my individual expert in every part of my life. And as a member, you can follow along with me, how I do that, and the different tips and tricks. Because it really can be an individual optimizer if you can piece it all together. And what does that mean, and why is Vertex AI Conversation important? Well, it uses the 3 forms of AI that can make everything pretty effective in a loop. So what you're looking at here is a natural language processing chat agent, but it's also going to give you machine learning. So you're going to know on every conversation, hey, what are my customers interested in? What do I need to put on the website? What do I need to target for my marketing? And the best part about this thing too is it has what's called generators. So not only is it machine learning, NLP, but it can also get you some generative AI that's still with Google's safety. But this thing's great, right? I said, hey, make me a date night generator. Find me 3 date ideas by location. Okay, so let's test that out. So I come to the chat here, I'll say, hello. Let's see, can you guys see that? I gotta make sure you can see that. Let's see. So let's refresh, make sure you guys can see that. It's on Short Lake Dental right now, but hello. So what's a cool date idea in Littleton, Colorado? Boom. Let's see. What's a cool date idea, Littleton, Colorado? What's a cool date idea in Littleton? Boom. All right, what do we got here? I'm not going to the museum for a date, so we'll work on that. South Platte, great biking path. Great. All right, go to the mall, a bunch of restaurants there. Catch a show. Okay, so it does a lot of things, right? Hello. But you can make it personalized in everything you do. And then when you come to the website too, come and check out these other AI chat agents. Riley's Roofing, for example. Let's go to that page. And what you'll notice here is when you come to the page, you're going to want to see this color down in the chat. So all you do is refresh. That chat's going to pull up for Riley's Roofing. This is an actual company in Colorado. This is an actual live chat agent. So you can say, hello, and it still has our conversation from the other agent. Tell me about Riley's Roofing. Because blue collar guys are going to run the world. And that is his contact information. That is his info if you actually need a roofer in Colorado. But that's really just going to kind of give you an idea of what AI can do, what you can really do with it. And then when you come in the membership area, when you come to the member home, you'll have to log in. But what you're going to really want to do is come in here and get started with Vertex AI Conversation. These are the longer tutorials where it kind of just walks you through step by step. I did some of these live, so you can really follow it and just see kind of what's going on. And then take the bite-sized pieces, roll with them, and just go chunk by chunk. Right now it's built up to the point where I have all of my flows in there. So essentially what you're looking at is if you do one of these, those 14 steps, and you build one of these, you just repeat that process for every area of your life. And then you can start getting the information, making your AI an expert in that information. And you can also take your